Okay, good morning, my dear students. This is the last day of this 2020 year. Okay, na? So don't celebrate very enthusiastically. Okay, na? ఇప్పుడు చాలా కష్టాల నుంచి బయటపడ్డాం, ఇంకా బయటపడలేదనే ఉన్నది. సో బాగా విచ్చలవిడి ఏం సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకునే అవసరం లేదు. Somewhat happy. Why? Because we are Indians. ఓకేనా, బ్రిటిషర్స్ కాదు మనం 31st నైట్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి. ఇండియన్స్ కాబట్టి మనం సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన ఉగాది, నాట్ దిస్ January 1st. ఓకేనా? సో let us continue that our class up to 13 we completed yesterday. No. So 14th week, if 3x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 8, then x is equal to how much? That is the question. Look at the code all of it. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 8. Before this, I gave the introduction about these linear equations. What is it, Nana? Whenever there is a variables on either side of the equal to, either side of the equal to means left hand side and right hand side. Okay, Nana? Left hand side or right hand side. If variables unte em cheyamani cheppanu, Nana? Replace the variables on one side and constants on one side. So variables 3x minus 2x is equal to 8. Replace this value to this side 5. So 1x is equal to 8 plus 5. What is asking the question? What is the value of x? So x value 13. In the similar way, 15th question, 2x plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 1. Here in this case, what you have to do now? Replace the variables on one side and constants on one side. So while you are replacing this 4x to this side, it becomes a minus value. Yes or no? 2x నుండి 4x తీయడం అనేది కొంచెం irrelevant గా ఉంటుంది. అసలు మైనస్ సింబల్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. సో అందుకే ఈ నెగటివ్ వాల్యూని తీసుకొచ్చి ఈ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూని తీసుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా? సో 5 plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 2x. So 5 plus 1 6 is equal to 4x minus 2x. 2x. 2 table 1 time 3 times. So x is equal to 3. Sir, ఇలానే ఎందుకు చేయాలి? 4x ని తీసుకురావచ్చు సార్ అంటే తీసుకురావచ్చు. So 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 1 minus 5. So 2x minus 4x minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Minus minus cancel, 2 table 1 time 3 times. X is equal to 3. Whatever the method it may be, but the answer remains the same. Okay, Anna? Don't have these questions. Sure. Okay, next question is that 5 of p minus 3 is equal to 3 of p minus 2. Okay, now here 5 and the p minus 3 is in brackets, and again here 3 and p minus 2 is in brackets. So what you have to do now? Multiply this 5 with all the elements in the brackets. Okay, and the brackets lo unna 2 elements to 5 multiply cheyamani antaru. So that's why he kept these 2 elements in brackets. So 5 into p 5p minus 5 into 3 15 is equal to 3 into p 3p minus 3 into 2 6. Now you have to replace that variables on one side and constants on one side. So 5p minus 3p is equal to minus 6 plus 15. So 5p minus 3p 2p is equal to 9. So p is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, so p is equal 9 by 2 means 4.5. The 17th question, 0.5 x minus 2.5 is equal to 77.5 minus 0.3x. Okay, now then x is equal to. So here what you have to do now? Replace the variables on one side and constants on another side. So 0.5x
plus
minus on the right side. If you replace it to left side, plus 0.3x is equal to 77.5 plus 2.5. 0.5 plus 0.3 x is equal to 80. 80.0. So x is equal to 80.0 by 0.8. 80.0 by 0.8. While there is a decimal point in both numerator and denominator, under the decimal after the same number of digits are there. We shown that decimal after only one digit in the numerator and decimal after only one digit in the denominator. So both the decimal points get cancelled. Okay, na? So that's why x is equal to 80 by 8. 8 table 1 time, 10 times. So x is equal to 8. Sorry, 10. X is equal to 10. Is it clear, Nana? No need to multiply here with 9 and with 10. Okay, Nana? 10 to multiply numerator ni denominator ni multiply చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడైతే న్యూమరేటర్ లో డినామినేటర్ లో సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డెసిమల్ పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయో సింప్లీ హావ్ టు నెగ్లెక్ట్ ద డెసిమల్ పాయింట్. ఓకే Nana? Okay, Nana? Here what is the question? 0.8 is in the brackets and x. 0.8 in the brackets with x means that is nothing but multiplication. So 0.8x plus 1.25 is equal to 2x plus 0.05. Okay, Anna? So 0.8x plus 1.25 is equal to 2x plus 0.05. So what do you have to do? Small values of variables outside, large values of constants outside margin. So 1.25 minus 0.05 is equal to 2x minus 0.8x. So 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 0 2 and point 1 minus 0 1 is equal to 2x minus 0.8x. That means 2.0 0.8 minus here 10 and here 1. 10 minus 8 2 and decimal point 1. So 1.2x. 1.2x. So 1.20 means nothing but 1.2 only. Okay, Nana? Right side of decimal point. Right side of decimal point, the 0 has no values. Okay, na? Left side of decimal point, 0 has values. But right side of the decimal point, 0 has no values. Okay, na? So 1.2 is equal to 1.2x. 1.2, 1.2x. So x is equal to 1. రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యి కదా, 0 అని కాదు కదా. అర్థమైందా? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యి కదా అని 0 అని మాత్రం కాదు అన్న. ఓకేనా? హియర్ వి ఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ దట్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. హియర్ వి ఆర్ డివైడింగ్ ద వాల్యూస్. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? హియర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ 0.5x minus 5.5 is equal to 64.5 minus 0.55x. Okay, now that is the question. So what do you have to do? Replace the variables at one side and constants on another side. Okay, constants on another side. So 0.5x and replacing the 0.55 to left side. What it becomes? Plus 0.55x is equal to 64.5 plus 5.5. So 0.5, 0.55. 1.05. చూడండి 0.5, 0.55. Here there is no value means it is 0. So 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Here 0 and here 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1? 1.05. So now 5 plus 5? 10. So 1 plus 5? 6 plus 4? 10. And 1 plus 6? 7. So the answer is 70.0. So x is equal to 70.0 by 1.05. So here in the numerator 1 decimal point is there and here in the denominator 2 decimal values are there. So ఇక్కడ ఒక డెసిమల్ ఇక్కడ ఒక డెసిమల్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో x is equal to ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు 700 by 10.5. Is that okay? ఓకే అన్న ఇక్కడ ఒక డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఒక డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ ఉంది. అర్థమైందా? డెసిమల్ తర్వాత ఒక డిజిట్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ డెసిమల్ తర్వాత 2 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ లో ఒక డిజిట్ అనేది క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. So no same number of digits. So 1 place. So 10.5 or else simply here in the denominator how many decimal values are there? 2. Remember one thing, there never be a decimal point in the denominator. Denominator lo eppudu decimal value undakodu. That should be you have to remember. Okay na? Here if you have to cancel these denominator lo unna 2 digits povalante endu multiply cheyala madam? Denominator. How many digits in the denominator? 100. Decimal place lo 2 digits e unnai. Decimal places lo enni unnai mana? 1 2 digits. So 2 digit means with what number you have to multiply? 2 zeros. That contains 100. With the 100 in the both numerator and denominator. So x is equal to point after 1 0. So 1 0. 7000 by 105. Divide these two na. 105 7000. Okay, now 105 table one time 66.666 times. That means 66.66. Okay, now here there is a division of 105 and 7000. Okay, now if you are not understand, note down the division also. Okay, next question is that you have to do the homework now. If 0.92x minus 0.46 is equal to minus x plus 2, then what is the value of x? That you have to do the homework. And again next match the following is there: open sentence, equality, mathematical statement, numerical expression. There is also homework now. Note on the next question. That is 22 if 5 of x plus 2 minus 2 of 3 minus 4x is equal to 3 of x plus 5 minus 4 of 4 minus x. Then what is the value of x? That is the question. So what you have to do? First remove the brackets. While removing the brackets, you have to multiply the number which is beside the brackets. Okay, so 5 into x. 5x plus 5 into 2. 10. So minus into plus minus 2 into 3 6 minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8x is equal to 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 5 15 minus 4 into 4 16 minus into minus plus 4 into x 4x. So what you have to do now? Variables constituents solve చేసే ముందు ఇట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేస్తాం. 5x 8x 5x plus 8x 13x next 10 minus 6 4 is equal to 3x plus 4x 7x Sorry, 7. 6x. That is equal to -5. So x is equal to -5 by 6. -5 by 6. Okay na? Next forwarding the 23, 24 and 25. The 3 questions also homework na. That you have to complete the 3 questions and again match the following, and before that question 20th question, that is the 5 sums you have to do the homework. So you have to complete by tomorrow. Okay, that's it for the today's class.